I find it pretty funny that people are teaching how to make money online using many different shortcuts and push buttons with video. So basically, if there are so many shortcuts, why are they using videos to teach others how to make money online? Wow. In our case, we make money using video. So in this video, I will show you how to make money online like this, and like this using videos, but with or without cameras and microphones. Why with? As you can see, we are using cameras and microphones to make videos, and from these videos we make money, but for that we don't really ask people to give us money. We simply solve people's problems. Just like in this video, I'm going to solve the problem for you on how to make money online. Why you are not making money, why we are making money, why so many other people are making money, and how you can do it too. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can do it from anywhere on the planet, from any experience level, any gender, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, your choice. Sounds good? Awesome. We were talking about videos. We will show you how we make videos without using camera and microphone for our other 20 plus channels using simple image and text. But in case you want to help us help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online using this channel, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, especially your social media timeline, and let everyone know how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy from your link. That's exactly how we get clicks and make money. Super simple. So go ahead, like and share. But before that, let me show you today's money motivation. This is one of our JVZoo accounts. It is a seller quick stats, and this is affiliate quick stats. You can see a lot of money. And this is one of our Warrior Plus accounts, complete passive affiliate commission, $57,707.94. Money is real motivation, but in fact, money don't grow on trees. Money is in other people's pockets. In order to take that money, you have to give them something valuable. In the internet, you can simply share valuable information that they are looking for. If your information is good and correct, you easily build rapport with them, build relationship with them, trust with them, and they will click your links every time you share your links with them. And they will purchase from your links based on your recommendation, and you make money. That's the super simplest way to make money online, and this is exactly what we make these videos, and we make videos using our artificial intelligence software Epic. With Epic, you can make videos using image and text. So let me show you how. Let's say I want to tell you that we use AI. So I'm gonna take any image from the internet, copy the image without downloading or uploading, go to the image section, click this button, paste it here, and the image is uploaded in the library, click use, and it's in my canvas. Now I can play with it. I can zoom in and out, I can move it, rotate it. Why not I just keep it like this for this demonstration? Looks ugly, but you can adjust it if you want when you are using this video. Oh, by the way, you don't know, all the Epic users are getting access to all our videos. Yeah, Epic is free, by the way. Link is in the description. Go grab it. So when you access your Epic account, just go to add new. You can start blank just the way we do, or you can simply use any of our videos. All these videos are our videos. The informations are already there. You can take those information and start from there, or you can just start from blank canvas and dump your thoughts the way we do, and turn your thoughts, bookmarks, records, whatever you want into valuable informational. So I'm gonna add a text. So for that, I'm gonna type a text here. Text added, move it, resize it, give it a different color, different background color with different opacity, or maybe just like this, make it italic, bold, and add an arrow to show this is Epic. Now this way, you can do whatever you want. Oh, by the way, Epic writes scripts using AI, so you don't have to type. Go to the text section, click the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, paste it here, use any of this button, and Epic will rewrite the text for you using AI. That will be completely your text. No fear of copyright infringement or getting penalties. Take that rewritten text and go to the audio section, click this button under text to audio, put your text here, and that text will turn into natural sounding voiceover, so you never have to use microphone and record your voice ever again. Good. Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Now here is the best part. Well, which one is the best part? I think all of them are best. We use it. We built it for us. We made money. Then we opened it for customers. But anyways, you can make bite-sized videos, small sections, and save the campaign. Go out for other work. Come back when you have time for finishing your video. Then add more sections if you want. And once you are done, happy with your video, simply click this render button and the video will be ready in the background. And you will get an email notification when your video is ready. Then download it, upload it anywhere you want. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Facebook, and they will send you customers. Now, you might be asking, Mosh, where are the customers? How can I help customers using video? Here is a quick example. Quotes about relationships. These relationship quotes on Google, they are quotes from other people, experts, specialists, the big people, the old people. These quotes are nobody's property. Anyone can use them and put them into Epic and make simple videos like this. Check this screenshot carefully. Quotes about relationship has 3.89 monthly searches on YouTube alone. So basically 3.89 million people every single month search about quotes about relationships. And there are videos that has got 87,000 views, 420,000 views, and we can go on and on. All these views are from people who are looking for some kind of relationship quotes, motivations, inspirations, either to look for a partner or rebuild their relationship, help with their relationship. If you make videos about this, you will attract customers who will purchase relationship advice, coaching programs, softwares, books, gift, ClickBank, and other affiliate programs. Have hundreds of thousands of high commission paying programs that you can promote as an affiliate. How to promote? Inside your video, mention that there is a link in the description that will help your viewers. So if they need additional help, they can click the link in the description, like this one. They put their subscribe link right here. Affiliate marketers put their affiliate links or their website links here. So yes, Epic is free. Link in the description. Collect images, use text to voiceover, use AI, and make simple videos and help people. If you are smart, you will make short video under 1 minute long and upload on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And literally the opportunity of getting millions of customers. Look at this. 1 minute video got 31,000 views. But in these cases, you need to put your link in the first comment and mention in your video that the link is in the first comment. And in case of TikTok and Instagram, the link should be in the bio. Your viewers will love you for your information, your simple videos, because your gesture is to help. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy from your link. That's exactly how we get clicks and make money. Super simple. You can do it too. You need a simple and most effective video creation software. That is Epic, and link is in the description. Epic is free to start. There is no reason for you not getting Epic. But anyways, the choice is yours. But in case you want to help us help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online using this channel, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, especially your social media timeline, and let everyone know how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. They will love you for sharing this awesome information. They will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers. So go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.